What's good, guys? Today we're going to be doing our Dynasty again, part 2. And the first game we have today is Iowa State versus Iowa. I'm going to check on our recruiting. You can't schedule this guy a visit yet. He doesn't have a top 5 school. Top 5 schools. I think we can schedule a visit with anybody. I'm gonna check more on prospects. There's some of that. Stop. Safety, 5-star. I'm just in the house on every one of these. Alright. I'm gonna do offense only again. They have a better team than us. Need to stretch. No way we're unranked, bro. I just beat... Okay, so we lost to Kansas State on the first game. I was ranked 18th in the country when I lost. I was still ranked 18th in the country on the next game. But then I just won our last game, and now we're unranked. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Carson. Go, Cyclops. Go, Cyclops. Alright, we're gonna go for 4 verticals, which is wide. Go! Go, Rocco! Alright, we're going for one up the middle with Sama. Oh my gosh, bro got hurt. Oh, we're going for the mesh spot, which is X. I'm trying to get Hansen. Hot route. Oh my gosh. Alright, go jet touch pass. $50-yard field goal. No. Would have been, no, it wouldn't have been good if I would have. I was known to have really bad offense, but. And I'm not expecting anything big in this first year of the rebuild, but not a very good start of the season. So the play. Nice. Go to the end of it. First quarter. We have average more yards per play. I'm going for X, the MTN D post. Come on, Hansen, block for me. Block for me, Hansen. You got it! Going for Y. I want X, the hot route. I went so well. Oh, we got it! I wasn't ready for that. I probably could have ran it for the, wait, let me see. I probably could have ran it for the touchdown if I didn't stop there. Let me see. So we got it. Yeah, I could have probably taken off and gone, maybe. Kind of want Burkle. Oh, wide open. Truck it. Oh, he trucked me. Oh. Why do they want me to do RPOs so much? I don't like RPOs. I don't use them that much. Oh, Hansen down at the 2. Second and goals. Duo, right in the middle. Come on, Hansen, right down the middle. Got it! Go. Oh, we're gonna have a little trickery thing. So I'm way up here, and then I'm gonna turn around and hit it behind me, I think. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna back up. How did I go backwards on that play? Alright, I'm going A. I kinda want Burkle, but I might not be able to. Wait. Why is Rocco not in? What happened to Rocco? What happened to Rocco? Why is Connor Moberly in? Yeah, put Rocco. Rocco needs to be the starter. Was that Connor? That was Connor Moberly. I don't know why Rocco wasn't on. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have like nowhere to punt this thing away. Oh dang, that was a good punt. X. That happened really fast. I almost got another pick or something. Ah. Shut up, dude. Come out. Go for swell now. On the other side of the, it's like the exact same route, but on the other side of the field. Hansen. 49-yarder. Can I make this 49? No, I would have made it. Well, that field goal is really hard, bro.
On the set.
Field goal's hard. Oh my gosh! Can I have some blockers? Jeez.
Okay, ready? Jack Rabbit.
How did I get that? I thought that was picked. Why? Hansen, right side. Oh, no, down the middle. Hansen, I'm gonna try to lob it up to you. Hansen! Hansen! Oh no, if I would have thrown a direct pass, I think that would have been a touchdown. Yeah, I think if I threw a direct pass, that would have been a touchdown. Wait, watch me truck this guy. So, boom! I trucked like their best player on the D-line. Halfback stretch. Oh no, Ratter on one.
Here we go.
Not safety. I mean, like, what am I supposed to do there? I could have called a timeout and tried to go for a QB sneak to get out, but
29.
exploding for that huge run. What do you mean? He did have a great, solid season. Just a bit too many pick sixes, but you'd say if he's good this season, he could go to the NFL as a junior. He has great arm power, too. Oh! Oh, no. I might lose. All right, at the 12-yard line now, please, please. Let's go, please, please. All right. All right, I'm going for X. Corner and goes.
On the set.
That's a weird route. I've never seen that one before. Oh, you were so close, Solo. All right, RPO alert bubble. I'll take RPOs when I can, like, when I want to, but no, not doing that. I'm not taking that pick six risk. He is. Why is Moberly in, bro? He's worse than Rocco. Let's go! I'm letting this time go down quite a bit. I kind of want to, I'm doing the zone option. Run down time, I want you to run down a lot. No, he's out. Halfback dive, halfback dive. Straight ahead, Carson. Truck him, truck him. All right. Scary. Okay, so I'm looking for Jackson, but if he's getting like pushed or somebody's trying to come back, yeah, I'm not passing that. Trust me, I've had experience. All right, 2-minute warning. Oh. All right, am I leaving them too much time? I think I'm leaving them too much time, but. Wait, did they score? Did they score? They didn't score! They didn't score! Halfback slip screen. Oh my gosh. Nice shot. Truck him! Go! Go! Truck another guy! Nice. Out of bounds, too. Mesh spot. Mesh spot. Come on, Carson. Go on that. Hot route. We're good at those. I know that. Halfback slip screen again. I love those screens in this game. They're like kind of overpowered in this game. If you got good blockers, they're overpowered. Like whenever you have like plays like that, that's crazy. Get to the outside. 1 minute. I'm going zone option, zone option, zone option, zone option, option. All right. No, I didn't have to pitch it there. I didn't have to pitch it. Okay, good. They're starting to use timeouts. They're starting to use timeouts. It's 3rd and 6. I'm gonna X. Get it! Good on! No, I wanted you to... I didn't want you to go out. I didn't want you to go out. I wanted... Okay, please. Use your timeouts. Use your timeouts, please. No, I do not want to pass. I want to run it, not pass it. I could probably easily hit a field goal from here. I can like easily hit one. Just try not to score, but just try to get as close as possible. Oh yeah, they used their final timeout on that play. Okay. Now run it down. Run it down. All right. We're just gonna sit here waiting till we kind of have to. Okay. All right. It's starting to come down. Come on. 13, 12, 11, 9, 8, 6. Pick it. Yeah! 2 seconds to go! Kyle Conradi! Also, in the Iowa game last season, 54-yard field goal with 9 seconds to go. Ah! like Rocco Beck, but right. All right. Oh, that was crazy. Great. Seconds. That was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. When I was running down that clock and I went silent for a minute, I could hear my heart beating. I wanted to win that game. At Arkansas State. Gonna make easy, maybe. Can't schedule this like anyways. I haven't even sent the house on this quarterback. I was already his #1 school. Let's see what the overall differences are. 69 and 80. I should win this game. I'm just saying. I should win. Yep, I won. 3-1. Getting closer on this kid. Let's go for like season stats. I'll go back to 1 pick, 4 passing touchdowns. Not this. We lost 17-14. On 25th ranked in the country. We beat SCS Midwest. 45-20. We beat Iowa and we beat Arkansas State. Oh, that's tough. 9 BYU and 11 Arizona State. That's tough. That's their schedule in real life. They have to go back to back, but they're at home, both of them. So honestly, I kind of just I might end the stream here. Guys, this is going to be the end of part 2. Tell me if you guys liked it. You'll probably be seeing this on YouTube. So this is probably going to be the end of my stream. I will see you guys in part 3, which will probably